both automobility and logistics are evolving very rapidly. I'm Alexander Katsouris, Head of Automobility within XBD. I work with teams across the organization, both national and international level, all with the objective that we're all with a common goal, common mindset of how to best attend this specialized sector. How is the industry evolving, first of all? We've got the combination, both automobility and logistics are evolving very rapidly. The key factor is technology, I'd say. After disruptive times, coming out of the pandemic, the disruptions in supply chain, and how does this align with what we're doing today and what we need to be doing tomorrow? On a logistics perspective, will help us speed up our processes. We need to be able to give better visibility to our clients in order to act on disruptions in the supply chain. We need to give the balance of that human approach, giving multiple creative solutions whilst providing very competitive rates instantly. The start of Automotive, or what today is known as Automobility, within our organization. It was a very humble beginning back in 2009, but we were a strong freight forwarder, very dedicated, dealing with time critical situations and specialized attention to clients and personalized service and giving solutions such as air charter and OBC. We made sure that over time we've created more robust processes and a more robust organization with different teams, different products, different locations around the world in order to give a better experience to our clients. I'd say with Automotive, we positioned ourselves very much as that time-critical solution. We are a one-stop shop. We offer every service, air, sea, road, and the time-critical sector. It's been taking that initial idea and how we gave that personalized, dedicated service. We live by the brand, fast, friendly, dedicated, and translating that into, okay, how can we do this at a global level within our organization? Something that works very small, detailed, agile, personalized team to a different level in the organization in different parts of the world. We saw over time that we got more involved with the automotive sector, that we needed to communicate that to the market, being a specialist in logistics in that particular sector. We had specialized product teams and eventually time critical. We built up a very specialized team with control towers per product, OBC, air charter, ground expedite. But then we had to get a mindset, not only within those operations teams, but each team of the organization on a commercial, or even on a finance and compliance perspective, IT, operations, sourcing, each area of the organization, we had to get that mindset of what do our automotive clients need, how do they need it presenting, and what are the processes that need to be involved in each area so that we attend and we're sensitive to our clients as much as possible. So this was a huge part of how we evolved as a company and how we evolved to become specialists in that particular sector. Okay, so what's coming within our automotive vertical within the next 2 years? A global expansion is a huge thing. As an ambitious, evolving company, a lot of our clients and the marketplace recognize us as leaders within the Americas, and we have the expansion plan to go into Europe, to go into Asia. That is happening today. We already have offices in both continents. We're also going into Africa. First of all, that we're working with automotive clients, with our current client base, which are of a global footprint. We're working with them. We're being very transparent with them, what we can offer, where we can offer it, how does this tie into their needs and their requirements, and how to best solve supply chain issues they have. How are we evolving today as an organization within the automotive sector? Providing technology, keeping that human approach with specialists in different areas of the organization, different areas of the world, to attend those local needs of those companies. Nearshoring is a huge issue within the automotive sector today. It's a strategy that many companies, not just automotive, but many sectors, are having to implement within their plans. So we're having to work with them at local level. Okay, how can we help you today? If it's moving with that new battery plant that's being built and the new investment going into the US or Hungary or Mexico or some part of the world, to help them with that local logistics that's feeding into the OEM, the assembly plant, or what tier ones or tier twos are within that area. Can we help and support with our local knowledge if it's On a customs perspective, it's on local logistics of handling, transportation, on the ground, air. What can we do to help them with their knowledge and experiences locally?
XPD Global.